Alright guys, welcome to today's training again, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own mockup for your flyer, okay, for your poster designs. So how do we do that? We simply go by having getting some empty template on the internet. You can Google and get some plain backgrounds of poster mockups and use them for your as your guide. All right, so let's get, I think I've downloaded some, so let me just go to add, and I'm going to downloads, and going down to posters. I need this. Should we use this? Okay, let's use this. Whoa, this is not a square. So let's find something similar. At least let it be something that can give us something similar to that. I don't want to cut stuff too much. So since it's like that, I'm going to work on my canvas. So what's the weight? So I'm going to use 1000 and see. I think this is perfect. So 1000 got it. So no, this is a little bit more than 1000, I guess. Ha, this is let's check. Good. Oh, I think I'm okay with this. So now let's bring in our square, our rectangular tool, and simply make sure I think I've done my best on that. So you can make it transparent a bit so that you can watch everything you're doing. So now we are done with this. Okay, so now you can see that it's ready. Our mockup is completely ready. There is nothing we need to do here again. All we need to do is return the field, and our mockup is ready. So guys, all you need to do is now is go um to fill, instead of filling it with colors. All right, instead of filling it with colors, you can just select picture, device, go to the poster design. Here I have them here, so I'm going to go to poster design I designed. This was also designed with this app, and I'm going to use it for sampling. So um, let's use this, right? Or this. I'm gonna use this, so you can see that the size was just exact. Oh, there is a little bit of problem, but it's not a problem because it's just my design already had a lot of space up and down. So you can see you have your mockup ready, and you can fit in any design. You can bring in another one and present it again. All these designs you're seeing here are done in this app. So don't ask me how I did it, because I did. So you can see we are doing well. Our mockup is ready and we're using it. So you can see, as you can see, my friend, we have added another one. So guys, our mockup is ready and we will just export it. And say poster mockup. Download. One thing you also need to learn is if your design is too bright, if these things are too bright, you can work on some of these things. All right, if they are too bright, you can work on them. No filter. If they are too bright, you can simply, let's duplicate this. Reduce the opacity, and it's going to be reduce the opacity and make it around whatever, how dark you want it to be, because sometimes designs may just be too bright. Like this one, I think I love it around this area. You can see the difference. I think I love it a little bit dark because I don't want it to be too bright. So guys, our design, our mockup, our second mockup design tutorial is complete, and you can also view it in draft. Oh, I've not saved it. That's bad. So post the mockup. Okay, I've saved it. So now you're ready, and it's ready and it's done. So guys, thank you very much and enjoy your day.